So today I'll explain the very important problems. So definitely there will be a problem on summations. You can write n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Already we have proved this by mathematical induction, right? 3 into n minus 1. So n means n into n plus 1 by 2. So please simplify this. This is assignment question. Please practice this. Here you have one extra term. Subtract this 2 power 9. 2 power 9 is 512. Hello everyone, welcome back to my new session. I'm Shweta, Computer Science Faculty, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, MYSURU. In my previous session, I have discussed the basic concepts on summation. So today I'll explain the very important problems. So definitely there will be a problem on summations. So it's 7 marks question. Please listen carefully. So already I have discussed some basic concepts in summations, right? So now I am explaining very important questions on summations. So first problem, sum the series 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2n minus 1. So first problem, sum the series 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2n minus 1. Here we have odd numbers plus 2n minus 1. So already we have discussed this problem in mathematical induction also, right? So here we are applying the summations method. So first I will consider the value 2n minus 1 with the summation sigma 2n minus 1. Here they have not mentioned any upper limit value and lower limit value, right? So here sigma 2n minus 1. Here we have two terms. 2n is one term and minus 1 is another term. So now I will separate these terms. If you get one or more than one terms, you have to separate the terms and you can simplify this. So sigma 2n minus sigma into 1. Separate the terms sigma into n and sigma 1. Summation of 2n and summation of 1. So now I'll simplify this again. So here with n, you have one integer called 2, right? So again, I will take this outside, then will be sigma n minus sigma 1. So I hope you have studied mathematical induction proof, right? So do you remember this n equals n into n plus 1 by 2? We have proved this by mathematical induction, right? So n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So, sigma n is equal to, we can write it is n into n plus 1 by 2. So, in place of sigma n, I can write it is n into n plus 1 by 2. And if you get n square, that means n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. If you get sigma n square, you can write n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. Already we have proved this by mathematical induction, right? So if you get sigma into 1, what you can write? If you get 1, sigma 1 is equal to, you can write it is n. Clear? So this type of proofs already we have solved in mathematical induction, right? So we can use this induction proof in summation also. So in place of sigma n, I can write it is n into n plus 1 by 2. So 2 into n plus 1 by 2 minus sigma 1. In place of sigma 1, I can write it is n. So now 2 get cancelled. You can cancel this 2 and you will get n into n plus 1 minus n. So simplify this again, n into n is n square plus n into 1 is n minus n. So n get cancelled, you will get n square. So n square is the correct answer to this question. So sum the series 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. By using summation, we can simplify the proof. Clear? So this is the simplification of summation. And the next problem, sum the series 1.2 plus 3.5 plus 5.8 plus up to n. Here you have fraction part, right? 1.2, 3.5, 5.8. So now I'll separate the fractions. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus n. This is the first part. Again, I'll take 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus n. So I have separated this part 1.2, 3.5, 5.8. We have fraction part. I have separated this 1. So first term is 1. First term is 3 and first term is 5, right? So 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to plus n and 2 plus 5 plus 8 up to plus n. For this series, directly I can't apply the summation. So for this, I will apply geometric progression method. So here, the first term is A is equal to 1 and D is equal to what? 3 minus 1 is difference is 2 and 5 minus 3 difference is 2. So now I will use geometric progression method. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So I will find out the equation. So A means 1 plus n minus 1 into D means 2. So simplify this. 2 into n is 2n minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So 2n minus 1 is the answer. And to the next term, so here again I will apply geometric progression. So A is equal to 2 and 5 minus 2 difference is 3. 8 minus 5 difference is 3. So D is equal to 3. So again write this formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is geometric progression formula. Tn is equal to, so which term you are finding? So here I am finding the nth term. So A plus n minus 1 into D. A value is 2 plus n minus 1 into 3. I hope you have studied this in second PUC, right? So 2 plus 3n minus 3. So 3n minus 1 is the correct answer. So now I'll write the statement for both the term. So 1.2 plus 3.5 plus 5.8 plus up to 2n minus 1 into 3n minus 1. So now you can use this method and you can simplify by using summation. So now sigma 2n minus 1 and 3n minus 1. Clear? So here we have two terms. So you can separate the terms 2n minus 1 plus sigma 3n minus 1. So now in the next step, so in place of n, so first simplify this 2n minus 1. So 2 into n minus 1. So now in place of n, you can put it is n into n plus 1 by 2. 2 into n plus 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 get cancel. N into n plus 1 minus 1. So n square plus n minus 1 is the correct answer. And now to this second term. So next you have to prove this term 3 into n minus 1. So n means n into n plus 1 by 2. So please simplify this. This is assignment question. Please practice this. So same method you can apply to this term also. And the next problem, find n given that here we have to find the value of n using summation. So here we have LHS and RHS. First write the LHS value. K equals 1 to n, 2k plus 3 is equal to RHS is 1571. So now I will simplify this. We have two terms. So I can split the terms. 2k, k equals 1 to n plus sigma 3, k equals 1 to n. So now I'll simplify this. Here I have 2 into k. So here you have multiplication. So here we have two terms in multiplication, that is 2 into k. I will split this. Take 2 is outside plus sigma 3. So in next step, I'll remove the summation. So it's like sigma n. Sigma n means what? Sigma n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So you can put n into n plus 1 by 2 in place of k. So n into n plus 1 by 2. Plus we have sigma 3. Sigma into 1 means I can write it as n. So now to the second term, we don't have n variable. We have only one term 3. Here I can put 3 into n. What is sigma into 1? Sigma 1 is, you can write this n, right? So I'll write 3 into n. Simplify this, 2 to get cancelled. Multiply this, n square plus n plus 3n. So this is your LHS. So we have RHS also. That is n square plus n plus 3n is equal to 1575. So here we can't factorize this. We can use quadratic equation. So what is a quadratic equation? Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic equation, minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So again I'll simplify this. N square plus 3n plus n is 4n. This I will cross multiply to this side. So it will become 0. A square plus ab plus c. This is in the form of quadratic equation. So you can use this formula for simplifying the value of n. So now the value of b is 4. So minus 4 plus or minus b square means this 4 square minus 4 into a means 1, c means 1571 divided by 2 into 1. So simplify this, minus 4 plus or minus 4 square means it is 16. 16 minus 4 into minus 1571, you will get 608. So simplify this, inside square root we have 4 square minus 4 into minus of 1571. So you will get 6084. You can use calculator. So 6084 divided by 2. So now find the square root of 6084. So minus 4 plus or minus square root of 6084 is 78 divided by. So simplify this. Here we have plus or minus. So you can use any one sign. So 78 minus 4. I'll take minus 4. So 78 minus 4 is 74 by 2 is 37. So n is equal to 37. And also you can find out for 78 plus 4. We have plus or minus. So you can find out for minus or plus. So you will get the value of n. So here the value of n is 37. And the next problem, evaluate sigma I equals 1 to n is equal to n into n plus 1, where n equals 5. They have given the value of n. So we have to simplify this statement. So here we have to prove that LHS value is equal to RHS value. So now first I will simplify the LHS. We have sigma I. The lower limit is I is equal to 1. Upper limit is n. Here first I will take the LHS. So now I will find the value. So n is equal to 5. So I is equal to 1 to 5. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So add all the values, you will get 15. So now again you have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. We have given, we know the value of n. So n is equal to 5. So n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the RHS. So now n value is equal to 5. Given value is 5. Substitute the value of n. 5 into 5 plus 1 by 2. 5 into 6 by 2. It is 30 by 2 is equal to 15. So here also we got 15 and 15. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this type of question you can expect for 2 marks or 4 marks. And the next problem, compute. We have two terms here. 7i minus 3. I is equal to 1 to 5. So we have two terms. I'll simplify this. So first term and second term. So sigma 7i, I is equal to 1 to 5 minus sigma 3, I is equal to 1 to 5. So first I will simplify this and second term. So we have 7 into I. So 7 I'll take outside. I is equal to 1 to I minus sigma 3, I is equal to 1 to 5. So sigma n means I can write it is 7 into n plus 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1. So sigma into 1 means I can write it is n. So 3n. So simplify this. So here in place of I have taken it is n. So we know the value of I, right? So it is 5. So substitute the value. 5 into 5 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 into 5. Simplify this. 7 into 5 into 6 by 2 minus 3 into 5 is 15. So 2 ones are 2 threes are 7 into 5 is 35. 35 into 3 is 105 minus 15, it is 90. So 90 is the correct answer. So here you have two terms. If you get two terms, you can separate the terms and easily you can simplify. So here we know the value of I or n. So I is equal to 1 to 5. Substitute the value of n here. So you will get the final result. And the next problem is compute sigma I is equal to 0 to 8. I equals 0 to 8. 2 power j plus 1 plus 2 power j plus 3 power j plus 2. It is very important question. Last year question paper problem. So here we have three terms. So first you have to separate the terms. Sigma I is equal to 0 to 8. 2 power j plus 1 plus sigma 0 to 8. 2 power j plus sigma I equals 0 to 8. 3 power j plus 2. So we have three terms here. So first you have to separate the terms and easily you can simplify this. So first term is sigma I equals 0 to 8. 2 power j plus 1. Simplify this. I is equal to 0 to 8. Substitute the value. 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 1, 2 power 3 plus 1, 2 power 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 8 plus 1. So now simplify this. 2 power 0 plus 1 is 2 power 1. It is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 3 is 8. 2 power 4, 16. 2 power 5, 32. 2 power 6, 64. 2 power 7, 128. 2 power 8 is 256. Plus 2 power 9 is 512. So add all the values, you will get 1021. And the next term is sigma I is equal to 0 to 8, 2 power j. So again same thing, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here you'll get 2 power 8. Till 8 you have to find out. So easily you can simplify this. Here you have one extra term. Subtract this 2 power 9. 2 power 9 is 512. So 512 minus 1012. So same thing you have. You just add this. So 2 power 0 is 1. 2 power 1, 2. 2 power 2, 4. Add all the values. Otherwise you can subtract this 1021 with 512. So you'll get the answer. So add all the values. You will get 509. Clear? And now the last term is sigma I equals 0 to 8, 3 power j plus 2. So same method to this term also. In place of 2, here I have 3 and power j plus 1, but here we have j plus 2. So now the value of I is 0 to 8. So 3 power 0 plus 2, 3 power 1 plus 2, 3 power 2 plus 2, 3 power 3 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 5 plus 2, up to 8 you have to do this. So 3 power 8 plus 2. And simplify this, you will get the final answer. Then finally, you have to add all the values. So first term value is 1021 plus second term value is 509. And find the third term value and add this, you will get the final result. So this type of question you can expect for 7 marks. So easily you can simplify, but you have to separate all the terms and simplify it properly. You will get the final answer. This is for 7 marks question. So definitely there will be a problem on this summation concept. Please practice all the problems. It is very simple concept. So you have to understand the concept properly. So please practice all the problems. So today you learned the problems on summations. Clear? In my next session, I will come with a new concept called counting. Thank you.